Bullish Decentraland cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.80 and $3.92 by 2030. Market experts accept Mana could reach $1.80 by 2025. Bearish Decentraland market cost expectation for 2022 is 31 cents. Decentraland presentation. One of the most active digital currencies to shake the crypto world is Decentraland. Specifically, the digital currency had the option to arrive at a record-breaking excessive cost of $5.90 at a certain point. Mana is one of the cryptographic forms of money that are expanding in esteem that certain individuals see as the most startling. Mana has existed since the year 2019. Because of the huge interest in metaverse tokens, financial backers in Mana saw a 100% profit from their ventures. We look at Mana's presentation in this Decentraland valuing examination and estimate. Prior to that, however, we should investigate Decentraland and its place right now in the digital money market. What is Decentraland? A computer-generated experience stage called Decentraland is based on the Ethereum blockchain. It empowers clients to create, consume, and benefit from content and applications. A $24 million ICO that occurred in 2017 prompted the foundation of Decentraland. It is the principal token in the historical backdrop of the metaverse to have a design show and a computerized pre-marriage ceremony. The Mana ERC20 token should be singed to get non-fungible ERC721 land tokens. On the Decentraland Commercial Center, Mana tokens may likewise be utilized to pay for a large number of wearables, symbols, names, and numerous different things. This year, Mana is supposed to make money on account of its market execution. We should happen to the examination to see whether the valuing examples could give any more direction. Decentraland Crucial Investigation. The token on Decentraland, the first metaverse at any point created on Ethereum, is called Mana. You might adjust your look, investigate and make, and buy products and land in this virtual world. What's more, there are different territories, courts, and craftsmanship historical centers to investigate for quite a long time. Indeed, even children might give it a shot in view of the connection point's usability. Except for utilizing genuine cash and requiring a reasonable crypto wallet to use ETH-based apps, it is equivalent to a computer game. The underlying coin presenting for Decentraland brought roughly 22 million euros up in 60 minutes, surpassing its objective. Today, the Mana stage is used for things that might be modified, like wearables, covers, or a customized name, which are all open on the site's Decentraland specialized investigation. What must be noted for this situation is that the cash has lain lethargic since send-off, as per the latest news and venture guidance from crypto experts and examiners, without any indication of something going on under the surface for clients, regardless of headways and advances in blockchain innovation. This resource stayed detached and didn't move even a millimeter. The expense of the Decentraland cryptographic money was around 2 cents at the hour of beginning. Afterward, it rose and came to 24 cents. However, it was dismissed and it got back to its earlier help level. The cost of Decentraland didn't really see huge changes and exchanged a similar cost range for some time. The coin then, at that point, went through a few extra reciprocals with the force of a tsunami. The Mana digital currency rose to a cost of about 80 cents on Decentraland in a bullish flood. Mana kept up with its bullish pattern even after its value taken off to another high of $1.56. In any case, in the wake of coming to another high, the Mana continued to address down, and the cost of Decentraland fell beneath 65 cents. Afterward, the Mana coin saw a huge increment that raised the cost to more than $3.50. Following that, the cash's exchanging was recognizably sure and arrived at another record high of $5.90. Nonetheless, the Mana cost saw a significant remedy in the wake of coming to another ATH, which made the Decentraland value drop to generally $2. Following that, Decentraland's value gets back to its past degree of generally $3. Decentraland current cost. Decentraland is right now worth 39 cents USD. Mana has moved 0.37% as of now with an exchanging volume of $36,555,644. Decentraland is right now positioned 54 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $733,582,767 USD. Decentraland value expectation 2022. Decentraland, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Mana cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 59 cents. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. averaging 55 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Mana is supposed to have a base worth of 47 cents. Decentraland Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Decentraland Mana cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Mana will before long outperform 99 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the Mana's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Mana will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 79 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 87 cents. Decentraland Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.40 and Mana might benefit. Mana is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.28 and a low of $1.20 in 2024. Decentraland Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Decentraland effectively helps market feeling among digital currency lovers, the Mana coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Mana will be green in 2025. The Mana is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.80, with a base cost of $1.60 and a typical cost of $1.68. Decentraland Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Mana cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $2.08 by 2026, with a base cost of $2 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Mana has a greatest value worth of $2.20. Decentraland Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.48. On the off chance that Mana figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $2.60. Neglecting to assemble the help Mana needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $2.40. Decentraland Value Forecast 2028. While Mana is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $2.80 and a yearly cost close above $3 in 2028. Decentraland Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Decentraland will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $3.20 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $3.40, averaging out at $3.28. Decentraland Value Forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme Mana cost in 2030 is projected to be $3.92 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of